Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be making a colourful butterfly art. For this you will need some coloured paper, a glue stick, a pair of scissors, some watercolours, a ruler, a white canvas. Get your ruler and mark a 10 cm dot. Do the same on the other side. Now draw a line on the marks you have just drawn. Now you are going to cut out the piece of square you have just drawn. Fold the piece of square you have just drawn. Apply some water to your paintbrush and choose a colour. Quickly dab on the colours you have chosen. Apply different colours to your piece of card. Apply lots of water onto your colours so it shall duplicate onto the other side. Fold your piece of card in half. Apply lots of pressure so it duplicates onto the other side. Fold one corner of your card to the other side. Just like I have done, you shall do it like this. Take the two triangles on the sides and fold it inwards, just like I have done. You are now going to cut the corners in a curve. Now take the corner and fold it in half. And do the same on the other side. Now turn it around and pull the triangle upwards and make sure there is an excess little triangle at the top. Get your glue stick and apply glue on the piece of triangle. Apply some more glue on the top triangle. You are now going to apply hot glue to the back of your butterfly. If you are a child, make sure you have parental supervision because this is very hot. Stick each butterfly one by one.